Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. J Dolls UK and I have been doing let's call it a series on Dolls Gone Goth. Coming up on August 13th, which is Friday the 13th, we have black wedding dresses. And if you will make a video of your own dolls in their black wedding dresses and add the hashtag Dolls Gone Goth Wedding, that'll come up in a folder and we can all go look at your video also. It does not have to be a Blythe doll. It does not have to be a wedding dress you made. However, that's really fun and we'd love to see your DIY in the picture if you do that. It can be something you put together, something you had, a doll already dressed for a wedding in a black dress, anything that relates to Dolls Gone Goth Wedding. Here's a tiny DIY because I used a tiny doll. I made this itty bitty wedding dress out of this stretch velvet. And I really like it, except it was supposed to have more flare. It's actually gathered here, but you can't see it because it's velvet and it is, I don't know, you just can't see it, and I'm a little disappointed in that. Because this doesn't fray, and because it's August the 13th and hot, I just put little holes for her arms. And she has a little snap here. Let's see if I can see it.
It's sleeveless.
Yeah, sleeveless for August. August the 13th, Friday. Okay, nope, I didn't get it snapped. Black on black on black on black. This is going to be hard to see, and I hope you can. All right, there we go, snapped. Then I made her this little, this is just lace, and I took a needle and worked a piece of ribbon in it. As you can see, it just slides. And I gave it the Dracula-like collar. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna tie that around her neck and hopefully pull it around her arms. It was wide enough before, so let's see what happens. I don't know if I can do a little bitty bow because of my wrist, but we'll give it a go. Tuck this in. I should have done upside down. When you do a bow upside down, like your mother used to do standing behind you, that means the bottom of your bow will lay down flat. There you go. That's as good as it's going to get today. Normally I would pull that small, but I'm afraid I'll pull it off. But there you go. It kind of wraps around, and I rounded the edges. Oh, don't have her straight though. Let me turn this just a little bit. There we go. And then I took a black twist tie. These are like bread wrapper. This was actually off an electronic purchase we made. It was a longer one. And I took, this was lace, just one piece, and I divided it up like this, folded it in half with a wire between, and I sewed that down to the wire. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna put that on her little head, maybe, and close it in the back. I used this rather than a custom-made headband. Oh, that hurts my wrist. Because a lot of people would have these. So let's push this back up. Okay, so we have that underneath, and we pull that up, and that makes her veil. And we pull that down a little bit, and it also becomes her little train in the back. And so that is her little black wedding. I have a hand injury, so I can't twist this, and I like this better anyway. I made this with 2 hooks, so I could hook one inside the other. for the back of her little veil. Now on a Blythe's head, because the Blythe's head are so different, it doesn't sit like it would on another doll. So let me fiddle with it again. And there's her train and her veil and the whole bit. And don't forget that we're also having a Dolls Gone Goth for the next few months. We're going to have a choice in September. October is going to be witches. I started messing around with a little witch outfit for this miniature Blythe. I'm so in love with this little miniature Blythe. She's just as cute as a bug's ear. Thank you to J Dolls UK. This is so much fun. Thank you to everyone who's watching and participating. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.